go. Second of October 2022. Taking off from Pula, Croatia. It's a 4-day mini trip, raining the first 2.5 days, and then sunny from yesterday afternoon. Okay, here comes the engine. Let's go. Rijeka.
I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Jack. It's my pleasure to be your senior cabin crew member on board this flight to London Heathrow Terminal 3. A very special welcome to those of you returning from our executive club and those of you joining from our Onboard Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you are seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening the overhead lockers, please do take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, the use of electronic cigarettes and vaping is not permitted at any time whilst on board the aircraft. This does include the toilets, which are fitted with sensitive smoke detectors.
Look at this resort.
Please off your BA Wi-Fi network service. Visit shop.ba.com to discover the packages available. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers.
Next time.
Please note video phone calls are not permitted at any time during the flight. We'll shortly commence our onboard service. If you do have a food allergy or like further information on specific allergens on board today's flight, please don't hesitate to contact any member of the crew. Those of us receiving Club Europe will be offering you a choice of meal and drinks from the bar. If you're a traveller, we'll be offering you a complimentary glass of water and a snack, which will then be followed by breakfast items from the
Now we are above the clouds. I really cherish this temperature, where I can still wear just a single shirt. Well, back in London, it's already single-digit degree in the night. You have to wear your heavy clothes. And this is just September, well, a couple of days ago. So, no bad. I guess I try to have another mini trip somewhere late this month to come back to the south to enjoy the sun. Otherwise, yeah. non-sustainable, you know. Your battery is dead. Okay, so this is a Mediterranean Adriatic Sea. Superb.